Huh. Hot. Neat kettle.
Okay. Uh, this morning we're working Limias. We lost Limia perugii. We have one male left out of probably 1,000 fish we had before the winter storm. But vittata did better. We did lose a bunch of them, but we have enough to do a good breeding colony and have a couple hundred juveniles. These are females, 32 of them. That shrimp is one of our breeder shrimp. We're going to put about 30 or 40 of those in with these. They do well in polyculture with the live bearers. And I kind of select for size in the females, see the good sized fish. Okay, males. Now that's 32 females for the breeding colony. I'm going to do 6 males. And I picked these out of around, I don't know, 50 or 60 males. And I have to admit, I picked the males that had the most orange in them, which means that their offspring will be oranger than the average fish in the population. I don't know how orange or yellowish the fish were in the wild, but you know, you just can't help but pick the prettiest males, and so you're changing the fish by your aesthetics, by what you like. The fish changes radically in domestication and aquaria. These fish we've had for generations now. They're perfectly adapted to the foods that we feed, and they're optimized for our conditions: high summertime temperatures, mild winter temperatures, natural light cycle, so that they get long summer days and short winter days. Our hard water is 285 parts per million calcium carbonate. You let a faucet drip, you get stalactite and stalagmite. pH around, well, during the summer, the pH ranges from around 8.2 in the morning to 8.5 in the evening. And the reason for that is the plant respiration and production of carbohydrates during the day. The plants use oxygen during the day, or actually the plants are producing oxygen during the day, which raises the pH, and they're using carbon dioxide at night in respiration and normal cellular activity, and that increases or decreases the pH because carbon dioxide is acidic compared to oxygen. Okay, so these guys are going to go to their breeding colony. We have a couple of hundred juveniles that will grow up, and we should be able to sell some of these fish in a couple months. Good fish keeping.